domains here. So to install your to install WordPress on your account, you just need to click on the section that say Marketplace. Click on Marketplace, and once you click on Marketplace, you will just scroll down. Once you click on Marketplace, you will see this section that say WordPress one-click install. So once you click on one-click install, which is this one here, it will take you directly to where you are going to install your WordPress. So what you are going to do, once it lands you here, you just need to click on this section that say install, which is WordPress. You click install. So once you click install, so it's going to show you, if you don't have, sorry about that, if you don't have any domain here, so you can see it said choose your installation URL. So you are going to here you are going to select the website you want to install on. Today we are going to install WordPress on our USave SEO tools. Click on that, and don't enter anything here which is indirect URL. Don't enter anything here, just leave it blank, and just scroll down. Here you are going to set the your site. If you want to leave it as blog, you can leave that. Admin, if you want to change this section, you can change everything. And for me, I love leaving it just the way it is. Only what I can change here is this section. I'll just change this Gmail to my normal Gmail. So I'm going to set that up. So here you are going to enter your Gmail. So once you have entered your Gmail, at the bottom here you are going to select language, which is the language you want your WordPress to be displaying on, which is English, and scroll down. You just need to scroll down. So here on this section, you are going to enter your Gmail again. Enter the same Gmail so that they will send all your information. So once they install your WordPress, all details will be sent to this Gmail account you entered here. So once you are through, you just need to click on this section, install. But what I recommend you to do, you can see this section that say admin. You can change it to something you want. Let me say we can change it to like USave. You can change it to like SEO save, or we can say like what can I say here? You save SEO. We can do like something like this. You save SEO, and we just need to scroll down to install our WordPress. For the password, you can leave it like this, or you can enter password that you want. And yeah, so you can just scroll down and click on install. Where is install? Is at the bottom. Just scroll to the bottom. This is the WordPress. Click on install. So once you click on install, you just need to scroll back up. You will see it say checking and submitting that data. So it say it may take 3 to 4 minutes to install. So we are just going to wait for it to install completely. So as you can see, we just successfully installed our website, which is we just successfully installed our WordPress one-click install. So we have our website created now. So if we click on this link here, if I click on that link, it will open up our website. So you will see now, this is our website now, but this is how it looks. You see now that it's ugly, and we are going to transform this website. You are going to be shocked what you are going to do on this website. So let us go. If you want to you want to have access to your dashboard, you just need to come back again to that place you install it. Don't close this window yet. Just leave it open and click on this section. You see administrative URL. Click on this section. Once you click on that, it will open up, and it will open up your WordPress dashboard. And yeah, so let us wait for it to open. So as you can see now, this is your WordPress admin dashboard. So what we are going to do here now, you can see there's a bunch of things here. So what we are going to do, the first thing is to change our password. So what we need to do is to click on this section and click on profile. Yes, I think it's that profile. And I think it's profile. You just need to scroll down here. Just scroll down. I think it's this section, if I'm not mistaken. Profile, scroll down. Yes, it's on this section. Click on profile, scroll down, and click on this section that say set new password. So click on this section and enter the password you want. So me, I'm going to enter a new password here. So I'm going to enter. Okay, I'm going to hide it for you not to see that. Okay, so I have set my password now. I just need to scroll down and click on save. So that is the first thing you will do once you install your WordPress. And let me say, for example, now we log out. That is the password we just set. Now that is the password, and this username you see, which is USaveSEO, which will be our username. So that is first thing you need to do once you install your WordPress account. So now we are going to start designing our website and adding all information we want and how we want our website to look.